think I'll have to ask. See some people are doing laundry in the river. I will ask them. Yeah, this is a rocky area. I think I'll ask these people. Omune. Miano waterfall? Abune taban taban ni? Ne pula kami jun? Em pula kami cho? Cumenge cu? Kabu ni. Kat jorne ngai. Kait kongko kanya so itai gitu. Ai. Abunu kericho. Nena ni ko kamera. Apa berbicara? Nah. Mami jam-jam cinggu ni aneh kan gitu. Okay. So these people, they're asking me if there is a party. So I'm telling now, it's only me, I'm going there. People love parties actually. So when you're in Kenya, be prepared, or people will be always asking you about something small. Yeah, that culture is not good. So they said it's around here. Good evening, guys. Today I'm in Londiani. I'm in a place called Ruskebe Waterfall. So welcome to Ruskebe Waterfall. So first, I just came across a wooden bridge. It looks so risky, but I think the locals, they are used to it. So this is the river which will lead us down to the waterfall. So it looks small, but on the other side it will bring the magical view. So guys, Ruskebe is in Londiani, but Londiani is in Kericho County. So when you're in Londiani town, you can ask, or you can ask the border people to bring you here. They know the place. Maybe they will charge you maybe at least close to maybe 200 shillings. Yeah, but I think 100 shillings will do. That is less money. That is like, yeah, you cannot even count it in dollars. So this is the trail to the waterfall. So from here now you start hearing the sound of the waterfall. So Londiani looks like a dry area. Some are more dry compared to maybe to other parts of Kericho. Yeah, so look at the view, guys. Look the view. Now, this is the river which will give us Lai? Ini tuh mager tuh juga. Hai. So look at the view, guys. Look at the view. So if you see down there, so steep. Actually, it is very. If you're afraid of heights, so look at the river down there. You can see the river down there. So far, it's like 100 meters down. So that is a small stream. Actually, when you look it from here, see the water falling down to the river down there. Yeah. So this is, guys. So I need to find a way to go there. So I need to go around. So maybe I'll use this other route and then come downhill. I see there's a road there. I will use that road. Yeah. To come down on this. So guys, welcome to Ruskebe in Londiani, Kericho County. So I'm going down there and then I'll show you from the other side. This place is so windy because water is falling from up. Yeah, this place is so moist. Yeah. Look at, guys. Look at the environment, the breeze. Yeah, you can see that. You can feel the weight when the water is falling from up. Yeah. This is the water, guys. Woo, woo. Woo. Yeah. Water is falling from the rock. So I want to show you water which is swimming. So water is coming down. Now party is over. I've enjoyed the environment. It's time to head back home right now. Yeah, so we're still following the same trail. Yeah, this place looks so steep, so I need to find my way up there. So yeah, let's go, guys. We need to hit the bush to the other side, but I hope you enjoyed. For me, I feel like not going back home because this place is so much captivating. It was worth it to be here. I enjoyed, actually. It was worth it. So these are indigenous trees. Yeah, this place, it is worth to be in this place. So if you have time, come to this place, come and enjoy. Woo! 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 Now this place is giving me another vibe, another energy. Now you start feeling you are alive, yeah? Yeah. You need to jump from one stone to the other. You need to find my way back home. See what is coming from. See what is coming from down the tree. See this water. Africa is blessed. Actually, this clean water. If you see water which is coming from the ground, actually, so much clean. Yeah, see, so much. This pure water. Yeah, this fresh water. Telling you, Africa, we are blessed. So much blessed in Africa. Yeah, look at the environment. Woohoo! Yeah! I think my way was somewhere here. So I need to go up there. So I need to go around to find my way back home. Look at the water, guys. Pure water you can see inside the rock. This is what you get in Africa. So let nobody lie to you about Africa. Actually, I think I can find... I need to find where this water is coming from. Yeah. This water is coming from the rock. Yeah, you see. I think I cannot go up there so far. Let me just head back home. This place looks so... It's a bush. And you cannot know what is in the bush, actually. Yeah. I'm feeling much motivated, much hyped. Because now of what I've seen here. So this stream will go down. Hey, that's some good exercise I've done today. So right now, I'm going to check out my motorbike and then head back to where I came from. Yeah. The road is so much rocky. But this one is nice. Even during rainy season you can pass here without any problem. If you have a car, motorbike, tractor. I wish I had a handle so that I can show you the trail I'm going with, especially with the motorbike. Yeah, it's so much sketchy. Yeah, you need to use this side of the road. So I left my motorbike here. They've actually closed the gate. So let me open this gate. I'll leave it because I'm going right now. So that is my motorbike. Yeah, these people are good people. They let me keep my motorbike here. Yeah. Says the motorbike. It's a BM150 Boxer. Yeah, nice motorbike. See you. So I'm done drinking water. So now it's time to go. So first I'll wear my helmet. Yeah, so time to go, guys.